Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video of the Notidar learning series. Today we will explore what Notidar is, what defines it, and how it works. After that, we will dive into a practical example and build our own real estate channel. At the end of the session, I will share the next possible steps and actions you can take. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ignat Klimchuk, and I am excited to be here today presenting Notidar. With over 10 years of experience in software engineering, I have had the opportunity to work on a wide range of projects and develop innovative solutions across various domains. Thank you for joining me in this session, and let's jump in. I want to share about Notidar. Notidar is a no-code platform for creating listings and feeds. You might be wondering, what is a listing or feed? It can be literally anything, a list of anything you want to share. Here are a few examples. A list of real estate properties that an agency works with, a list of cars at a local car dealership, a small news feed for a company, or maybe you just want to share cooking recipes you have invented. It's totally up to you, and Notidar is here to help you create, read, and share those lists the way you want to. We will have a chance to see customizations later during the demo. But first, let's compare Notidar with other options. Let's figure out why it's a sweet spot between these three platforms from a creator's point of view. You might decide to avoid reinventing the wheel and go directly to aggregation platform. Great choice. The benefits are significant, but so are the downsides. You are forced to play by the platform rules. Your data will be mixed with competitors' data, and you won't be able to customize it. You can't create your own space without additional investments or efforts. Owning a website or CRM can solve these issues, but it has an important downside. Need to provide a search for customers? Sure, but you will need to invest in development and setup. Every feature comes with a price. We'll also face maintenance costs. Later, you'll have to answer a question. Do you really need to become a software company? Messengers offer a much simpler solution to start with. You can create a public channel to share your listing. It's easy to do and very convenient for sharing origin updates in a simple text format. Unfortunately, simple text format limits search and filter abilities with all the ensuing consequences. But can we improve it and build on top? Let's pick a messenger or a social network as a base. Let's review a simple post on a social network. It's hard to read, and you also need time to analyze details, to compare it to others. It's not customizable either. We can format the text to make it easier to read, but that's pretty much it. Is there anything else we can do? Well, we have already covered a lot. The next steps will be technical, but don't panic. I will explain everything, and I believe you can make it. Let's review how a simple post in a Messenger app looks like from the inside. It's just a text in the end, similar to a simple message in a conversation. Maybe a few images are attached, but that's it. But what if we extract values from the text? We can add these values as separate parts of the post. For example, we can easily get the price of the apartment. So, if we have these values, we can search and filter, right? Well, we need one more step. We need to describe what values we have in the listing and what is common across all posts in the listing to achieve that. This means we need to add fields information, what values a post can have and how those can be sorted and filtered. But how we display it? Are we good to show only text similar to messengers? Today, UI and UX components are synchronized across the majority of products. We can see common patterns that are recognized and can be utilized for displaying data. We can split a post into sections and connect those to values through fields. Values, fields, and sections are the basics that define Notidar and allow to build on top of it. For example, filters and subscriptions are key features. Fields allow us to define how posts are comparable and can be sorted. By using fields, you can create filters. With filters, Notidar can generate notifications. There are many other features that can be built on top of these basics. Wow, that was a long journey, and I hope we made it. Now, Let's jump into a practical demo and create a property listing for our newly created agency. Right now we are looking at Notidar.com main page. We can already see the most popular public channels, go into details, and access its content. Main goal of this demo is to create our own real estate agency channel that we will share with customers. So let's start by signing in. We can create a new account or use an existing Google account, like in my case. Upon successful authentication, we can see a new menu option, Create Channel. Let's click it and create a new channel using Real Estate Demo as unique name, title of a fictional company, and a simple description. After submission, I'm redirected to the channel management page. You can always access channel management UI under Manage menu option. Let's set up channel fields that will be used in posts. Each post will represent a house or a flat for sale. Each field is defined by a unique name and type. After adding a field, type-specific settings will be available for editing. For example, after adding cost field with money type, we can define display name for customers, pick a default currency, and make the field available for filtering. Let me handle the rest of fields behind the scenes. After saving, I'm redirected to the channel management page, where I need to wait a bit for the field changes to apply. We have all the necessary fields, so let's define the sections to be used for displaying a post. I will add title as the first section. Each section has its own configuration, from a simple selection of fields for placeholders as it in the title section, to display options configuration in the property section. I will fill the rest of the sections behind the scenes. Once section saved, I'm once again redirected to the channel management page. After defining fields and sections, Add Post button is available. Based on fields we defined previously, a form is generated. Let me create a few posts behind the scenes. That's the last post to add. I added 4 posts in total, so let's see the result by navigating to the channel. It looks awesome. Filters are available and working. Buttons are behaving as expected. We can subscribe and receive notifications the same way as any other user will. We can also check how units and currencies conversion works. We have checked everything, and now it's time to share the channel with everyone. Right now, channel is not available via link or search except to us. Let's fix that by clicking Make Public. Now the channel is available for everyone. During this demo, we created and published a real estate channel in just a few minutes. This channel can now be shared and used by customers. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, let's return to the presentation. In case you're interested, demo result is available in notidar.demo.realestate channel. As we saw during the demo, Notidar is a simple and straightforward way to create and share listings and feeds. There are many other use cases you can achieve without writing a single line of code. Now that you have learned the basics of Notidar and have seen how to create a real estate listing, I hope you enjoyed and you are eager to try it on your own. Visit notidar.com to create an account. Learn more at notidar.com/about. And feel free to contact me with any questions or feedback you have. I hope you enjoy the session and like Notidar. See you in the next sessions to cover more.